Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Blitz Audios. Today we'll be discussing about NCERT textbook solutions on the subject mathematics. Today we'll be covering exercise 6.2 of chapter 6, the triangle and its properties, in class 7. Let's begin, shall we? Question number 1. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. So, for solving this question, we have to look at a property. So, the property suggests that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Now, what this means is that exterior angle of a triangle. So let's draw a triangle and extend one of its lines, and this angle right over here is one of the exterior angle of the triangle. And in the property it's also given that interior opposite angles. Interior angles are inside the triangle, while interior opposite angles means that the other angles other than so for example, this is the exterior angle, while these both would form the interior opposite angles. This would not form one because it is forming a linear pair with the exterior angle. That is just one of the it's not considered interior opposite angle of the exterior angle. So this relation between exterior angle and its two interior opposite angles, this property is referred to as the exterior angle property of a triangle. So let's apply this property. So if we look at this figure closely, we can see that angle x forms the exterior angle, while 50 degrees and 70 degrees forms its interior opposite angles. So according to the exterior angle property of a triangle, 50 degrees plus 70 degrees is equal to x. Reason: exterior angle property. So x would be equal to 70 plus 50 is equal to 120. So x would be equal to 120 degrees. Next question. So it's the same question, second diagram. So we'll apply the same property in this question too. So if we look at it, we have to find the unknown exterior angle x again. So the interior opposite angles are 65 degrees and 45 degrees. So x is equal to 65 degrees plus 45 degrees. Reason: exterior angle property of a triangle. So if we have to find x is equal to 65 plus 45, which is equal to 110 degrees. So x in the following diagram is 110 degrees. Next question. Now for this diagram, we have x as the exterior angle and 30 degrees and 40 degrees as the interior opposite angles. So we apply the same formula. x is equal to 30 degrees plus 40 degrees. Reason: exterior angle property of a triangle. So x is equal to 30 degrees plus 40 degrees. So x is equal to 70 degrees for this diagram. So we'll move on to the next question. In this question, x is still the exterior angle, and the interior opposite angles are both 60 degrees. So x is equal to 60 degrees plus 60 degrees, or 2 into 60 degrees. Reason being, exterior angle property of a triangle. So 60 plus 60 is equal to 120. So x in this diagram is 120 degrees. Next question. So we had to again find the value of x. Now the interior opposite angles are both 50 degrees. So we apply the same formula. X is equal to 50 degrees plus 50 degrees. Reason: exterior angle property of a triangle. So 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. So x is equal to 100 degrees in the following diagram. Next question. In this diagram, the interior opposite angles are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So x is equal to 30 degrees plus 60 degrees according to the exterior angle property of a triangle. So in x, the value of x in this diagram is 90 degrees. So in this diagram, x is equal to 90 degrees. Let's move on to the next question. Find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figures. So for these questions, we have to apply the same exterior angle property, and we have to change the formula a bit. I'll show you. So 115 degrees is the exterior angle, and 50 degrees and x is the interior opposite angles. So x plus 50 degrees is equal to 115 degrees. Reason: exterior angle property of a triangle. So using transposition method, we can bring plus 50 degrees to the right hand side. So it will be 115 degrees minus 50 degrees. So x would be equal to 115 minus 50 is 65 degrees. So 65 plus 50. Yeah, x is equal to 65 degrees in the following diagram. Interior angle x is 65 degrees in this diagram. Next question. In this question, we have the exterior angle, one of the exterior angle as 100 degrees, and we have 70 degrees and x as the opposite interior angles. So x plus 70 degrees would be equal to 100 degrees. Reason being, exterior angle property of a triangle. So to find x plus 70 degrees to the other side, we get 100 degrees minus 70 degrees. So x is equal to 30 degrees. Now, if we do it, x 70 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to 100 degrees. So x is 30 degrees in the following diagram. Next question. So for this question, 125 degrees is the exterior angle. X is one of the interior opposite angles, while this is 90 degrees because a 90 degree right angle is represented using a square shape. So x plus 90 degrees is equal to 125 degrees. Reason: exterior angle property of a triangle. So x would be equal to 125 degrees minus 90 degrees. So x would be equal to 35 degrees. 35 plus 90 is equal to 125. So x is equal to 35 degrees in the following diagram. Next question. So in this question, 120 degrees is the exterior angle, and 60 degrees and x are the interior opposite angles. So x plus 60 degrees is equal to 120 degrees. Reason: exterior angle property of a triangle. So x would be equal to 120 degrees. We take plus 60 degrees to the other side, minus 60 degrees. 120 degrees minus 60 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. So x is 60 degrees in the following diagram. Let's move on to the next question. In this question, 80 degrees is the exterior angle, while 30 degrees and x are the opposite interior angles. So x plus 30 degrees is equal to 80 degrees. Reason: exterior angle property of a triangle. So to find x, we take plus 30 degrees to the other side. X is equal to 80 degrees minus 30 degrees. So x is equal to 50 degrees. So in the diagram given, x is equal to 50 degrees. This is the last question of this episode. So in this, we have to find x. So 75 degrees is the exterior angle of the figure, 35 degrees and x are the opposite interior angles. So using the property, x plus 35 degrees is equal to 75 degrees. Reason: exterior angle property of a triangle. So to find x, we take plus 35 degrees to the other side. So x is equal to 75 degrees minus 35 degrees, which is equal to 40 degrees. So for this question asked in NCERT, x is equal to 40 degrees. That's all, folks. We hope you found what you were looking for. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, Brain Blitz Audios. Until the next video, take care, stay safe. Ta-ta for now.